I'm at a loss for words. Isn't all that remarkable? Millions of batteries, totaling around 6.6 million pounds, are thrown away every day, seriously harming the environment. However, when recycled, these batteries contain important metals like cobalt for medical equipment, nickel for wind turbines, and lithium, which is utilized in electric vehicles and weighs 44 million pounds. In addition to reducing waste, this recycling method yields important resources for upcoming technologies. The next step in the lithium battery recycling process is gathering and classifying different kinds of batteries, including those from tools, mobile phones, and electric cars. Then they are valued and crushed. Chemical and thermal techniques are used to separate metals including nickel, cobalt, and lithium. It is possible to recover about 220 pounds of lithium, 44 pounds of cobalt, and 88 pounds of nickel from every ton of lithium batteries. Glass, plastic paper, metal, and other garbage are collected and sorted at the recycling center. Approximately 19.8 million pounds of paper and 132 million pounds of plastic are recycled annually. This procedure contributes to pollution reduction, resource conservation, and the provision of raw materials for new environmentally friendly products. Ever pondered what would happen to your recyclables once they were picked up from the curb? More than 176 million pounds of recyclables are gathered and sorted annually. These items are separated into groups like glass, metal, plastic, and paper, then packed and delivered to recycling centers for reuse, waste reduction, and environmental protection. What's taking place? In the vicinity, a sanitation vehicle unexpectedly caught fire. To stop the flames from spreading and burning the truck anymore, the driver's fast thinking led him to dump the rubbish onto the road. His prompt intervention prevented significant harm. One crucial step in environmental protection is turning trash into energy. In this instance, waste is transported into conveyor machines using 721 AF excavators, which have strong engines with up to 155 horsepower. In order to produce clean energy and lessen pollution, the trash is processed here and transformed into renewable energy. One of the most potent devices, the SSI Dual Shear M160 Monster 2-axis industrial shear, can cut enormous aluminum extrusion bundles and panels that weigh up to 1,000 or 2,000 pounds. This recycling process aids in reducing material size for reuse and manufacturing that contributes to environmental protection. The Houseman HL Uni, with its powerful motor that can produce up to 200 horsepower and its sluggish rotor, is an essential part of the aluminum recycling process. This device reduces material size and helps separate contaminants by cutting and crushing aluminum into tiny pieces. These aluminum fragments are subsequently recycled to create premium goods that support environmental preservation. That's incredible. With a 250 horsepower engine, the Houseman HL2 is a strong wood recycling machine. It makes it easier to recycle and produce high-quality wood products by cutting and crushing wood into tiny pieces. This procedure aids in environmental protection in addition to waste reduction. Should use a strong engine with 300 horsepower to perform recycling in a professional and effective manner. Advanced technology is used to gather, sort, and process waste materials. With the ability to process 2,246.23 pounds of material per month, this technique helps recycle raw resources, reduce waste, and safeguard the environment. Because of its capacity to effectively grind a variety of waste materials, the VZ950 Titan Waste Shredder was selected. This apparatus has a strong engine that can produce up to 520 horsepower, allowing for efficient and rapid material size reduction. Recycling waste is made simpler by this shredding procedure, which promotes environmental protection. The hydraulic press compresses and shapes materials using water pressure to help form or reduce their size in order to maximize the production process. The pieces of treated material are then combined by the bonding machine to create a homogeneous block. Both devices are essential to efficient production and recycling. Are you aware of the steps involved in recycling glass bottles? Glass bottles are crushed into tiny bits using the GP microglass crusher, which has a 15-horsepower motor, at workplaces or isolated locations like island campgrounds and mining villages. This procedure protects the environment while saving money and space during processing. Using the largest electronic waste shredder, which aids in breaking down electronic components into tiny bits, is the first step in recycling broken phones. After that, materials like glass, plastic, and metal are separated and repurposed, reducing waste and safeguarding the environment. Are you able to gather leaves efficiently? With a 200-horsepower engine, the CCC leaf vacuum truck is made to effectively gather and pack leaf piles. It can rapidly collect leaves, dirt, and other stuff into the container thanks to its strong suction system. After that, they are carefully packed for disposal and simple transportation. It is a steel monster indeed. This vacuum's strong motor allows it to operate trouble-free for hours at a time. Cleaning the machine is required to ensure optimal performance after handling 5 manholes. The device runs with vigor and efficiency thanks to the high-power motor.